Hi everyone, a quick update. I was supposed to drop a deep dive on a PyTorch and neural network module today, but I ran out of time. So I have already prepared everything as you can see here, but I would like to make sure that it has a, let's see, a good quality. So instead of your regular video, I want to know what are you, let's see, what you need right now. I'm really curious about the projects you are building. So are you stuck in a PyTorch bugs trying to understand, let's say, machine learning with numerical examples, any algorithm, or trying to build MLOps pipeline without breaking things? So leave your questions in the comments. I have seen all, let's say, in a production, and I wanted to help you get unblocked. And if you would like, rather, we can do a live question and answer where we can actually talk through this stuff. And let me know, just type PyTorch, machine learning, MLOps, computer vision in the comments so I know what topic to be focused on. Thanks for watching and see you next time.